Hi guys, welcome back to Dr. Karen's Sweet Math. My name is Abdelileh and I'm going to be the host for this video. Today we're going to make Gordon Ramsay's burger recipe, but except without a barbecue grill. Here are our ingredients: lettuce, tomatoes, onions, burger buns, cheese, butter, meat.
That's all. Ah, you forgot something, Abdelileh. Waiting for you. Some
cheddar slices.
slices.
Cheddar
We
cheese
need
slices.
also
Black pepper.
and
Salt.
Abdelileh, look at this fresh, nice, beautiful meat. What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing.
I love
This
it.
is fresh. This is not freezed, okay? Like that we saw on the video. Which one was at that video?
It was already shaped as a patty.
Who was giving that
Gordon
famous-
Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay. He was doing this nice barbecue on
A barbecue grill.
a barbecue, yeah. So we are using fresh meat, beef meat, and I have this a very nice item because you need to put this plastic, of course, food plastic. Then we gonna take one bowl, a big bowl, because we need a thick
Thick
bowl.
patty.
Yeah. So you will do like that. Maybe we need much more, little bit more.
Not like that much. A bit less.
This bowl is enough, I think so.
No, a bit less.
Less? No, I wanted a thick one.
A really thick one.
Yeah.
Really
I'll put-
thick one.
Now we need maybe small oil like that because it will make it also.
And then you go on your
Tasty.
maximum strength and start flattening it.
Yeah. Let's see what it will give. Oh my god, look at this beautiful shape. Oh, so thick, so nice,
So juicy.
juicy. Let's see. So what we're gonna do now is to what?
Season it.
Yes. Let's
Seasoning.
Abdelileh. Let's see. Not your hands, but the burger. Okay, not your hands. From this side, a little bit of salt, of course. Not enough. We need more. This is,
This much.
and again we need a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, black pepper, nice. We need more. Then we will also,
Butter it.
we need this.
Butter and start seasoning it a bit more.
Let's put it in its place now.
This may seem like too much seasoning, but it makes it in the perfect juiciness.
Yeah. From the other side, we need it. Oh, nice. From the other side, we do the same thing. Seasoning.
And when the other side cooks, we put on top of it a slice
Salt.
of cheddar cheese.
Salt, pepper, little bit of butter, and at the same time we need to put the onion.
Not on top
Look
of
at
the
these nice beautiful slices of onion.
You
We're
put
gonna
one
put,
on the grill.
yeah, 2, 3.
Sometimes onions take most of the flavor from the burger patty, so they're better when you grill them.
Okay. Even burger, we will put it here.
Burger buns and put them on the grill, so they're not soggy.
We need
And
to
they can give
put
a-
seasoning even on the bread.
Buns.
That's enough. Thank you. Then We need just to check the other face. Look at this juicy, nice, mashallah, very, very nice. So let's take it on the other face. And now we just need some more butter. At this moment we need the cheese. This is the cheddar. Cheddar cheese.
This is the cheddar. Now we're going to add it on top of the burger patty.
Yeah. Let's check the bread. Very nice. Oh, I like this color. Now the onion, I want it to be caramelized. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, it is caramelized.
It looks very tasty.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Let's put another one. We have the place here. Another one. We will manage as we did. Okay, as usual, we have to press a little bit. A little bit more. Yeah. And then seasoning with salt from this face and pepper from the other. Oh, yeah. Keep it like that. Don't worry. Everything will be alright. Just carry on, carry on, carry on. Don't stop. Yeah, pepper, 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 pepper. Then butter. Nice. Then of course we will put this face here. And this particular place, as you can see, everything is nice. We have it. This is the face that we will put on the other side. Like, let's check the bread. That's enough. Let's put another bread now in its place. Let's season the other face now. Salt. And butter. Now this face, is it ready? Yeah, I think just a moment and it will be ready. Let's try the first one, Abdelileh.
We're going to take out the liquid patty.
What do you think about the cheese? Completely. Yeah. Then we need a little bit of cheesy cream. Please help me. Take all the butter with you. You're gonna put it. Throw it here. Use both of your hands. You have two hands. We're gonna use both of them. Come on. That's enough. Spread it enough. Then we will put the second one. Will be what? The meat.
The meat.
You will help me, yeah. After the meat, what we need? A slice of tomato. Then I will take care about the other parts. We're gonna put onion and after tomato.
After tomato, lettuce.
Lettuce. So look at this beautiful fresh lettuce. We will choose one, and we will put it this size. Then after tomato, what we need?
onion.
Onion, wow, the caramelized nice onion. Yeah, you are true. Look at this beautiful, mashallah, very nice. Then let's
Tasting.
a little bit of this cheesy cream. Then
You close it.
I close it. Oh,
Here we
look
have.
at the layers. What we have?
They're beautiful.
We have the meat and the cheesy.
And the cheese. Here we have
Cheddar
the
cheese.
meat, the cheddar cheese,
Mm.
the tomato, the lettuce, the onion, and the bun.
The grilled onion caramelized, and the bread which is crispy. Look at this nice burger. This is what we call a very nice burger. Really, let's we cannot wait for the finishing the others. So very nice. You want to try?
Yes.
So excited. Yeah, take it. Take it, Abdelileh. Tell me, what do you think? What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing, really?
Mhm.
Oh, mashallah. Very nice. Now everything is ready and children are waiting for dinner, of course. They merit after a hard day this nice burger, American burger. And Abdelileh,
Your recipe.
like which it was the recipes of whom?
Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay. If you are listening to us, please like and give us a comment.
A comment, and you can tell us another recipe to make in another video in the comment section below.
What I like is the melty cheese because
Melting cheese. Melted cheese.
Mm.
Because it gives a bit more flavor than your normal cheese. So that's why it's better than that you melt the cheese.